It's true. I once lived with a hawk. Though I sharpened my words in place of a beak, though I fashioned a flint knife as I lacked the talons, but flew on their backs, holding tight round their necks, over the treetops and the blinding light lakes. Wrapped in a cloak of second-hand feathers, I slept in a nest in their cave, with my hawk who took me under their wing. Singed, forever sooty, once we killed the old owl, who would have torn me apart like a shrew, and burnt his body on the hillside each spring. Flames sizzled all over his feathers, and precious things tumbled out. Crystals, wishes, promises, curses. Don't turn this stick. So I did. But the desire to gather was almost too much to bear. Like spotting the moon in the dew of a cobweb. Like a mother at the end of her tether, who'd throw a brat child out into the night spitting, "There, have it your way. Let the owls take you if they want you."